Hello Taurus, this will be your rest of the month reading for September from today to 30th of September. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. If you have in your chart in Taurus, then this is the reading for you. Please keep in mind that energy can go vice versa or interchangeable, so take it however it resonates with you. And if you would like to have a personal reading with me, then you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Also, if you like this reading, resonates with you, and then I would request you to please like, share and subscribe my channel King of Cups Tarot. Let's start your reading. Yeah, let's cut it. The Moon, Ace of Cups, Knight of Wands, Three of Wands, Ten of Swords, Six of Pentacles and King of Cups. Bottom of the deck we have is Sun. So Taurus, I can see that there are a lot of sign here. Leo and Cancer, Pisces as well. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Every sign is there. And specifically I already told you Leo and Cancer. Okay, Leo and Cancer is there, and Sagittarius is also there. Okay, so let's start your reading. We do have the Sun, means this rest of the month is very happy for you actually. So maybe you were dealing with something before, and right now you got clarity, and that makes you very happy basically. And I can see that some enlightenment has been given to you, or basically some reason to be happy. Okay, so the Sun card is that, and Nine of Pentacle is there. So you actually don't really need somebody to be with you basically, but it will actually a plus. But actually I am seeing you that you are very much enjoying by yourself. You are going out with the people which the people you like actually. So these kind of this is the happiness kind of reading basically I can see here. And actually that's because you have cut somebody out from your life. Maybe that particular decision was pending from long back and you were not taking it actually, and you finally decide to be happy and you cut them out. Or you might being very logical. Okay, so this is the time to be happy for you, and make a balance in your life, because the other card is Justice here, right? Then I can see that karma is giving you payoff now. Whatever, if you did good karma, then good karma will make you everything happier. Okay, if you made the bad karma before, then it will anyway punish you. Okay, so I'm seeing that prosperity is coming, your finances are good, you are good, you're feeling good, everything is good. Okay, so let's see what happens to your reading now. As I told you, something that breaks you, that keep you in a emotional trauma, has left out from your life basically. Okay, earlier actually this is the past thing. Okay, so earlier you were very emotionally drawn, and I'm seeing that you are in a trauma before. Okay, so you were thinking a lot of about somebody, and this somebody is not giving you neither a closure nor they are giving you a commitment. So right now, it earlier it was very uh, unclear to you that this relationship will work out or not. You didn't know that. Now what happened? You got some offer actually. Ace of Cups. Somebody has presented you Ace of Cups. Means they want to give you a cup of love, their emotions, their or I can say like overflowing emotions towards you. They will they will tell you that. Okay, so Ace of Cups is there. So I can see that Knight of Wand is there though. So I can see that you are very passionate towards this person, and this person is also very passionate towards you. Maybe you are dealing with a Sagittarius or Sagittarius in their chart basically. So I can see that you both are passionate towards each other, and I am talking about the physical passion, physical appearance. Due to the physical appearance, the attraction is much more higher. However, you love, the love is also pure. I don't say about it, but there is a physical attraction also involved in this connection. Okay. Now next card is Three of Wands. So I'm seeing that maybe in the later stage, or maybe right now, you you are actually waiting for something to happen basically. You want, I think you want some closure, because the next card I can see is Ten of Swords. So you want to see some part of official closure from somebody with which you were dealing with some I think in your past maybe. And that's why you were wanted to have that closure, and this closure is actually on the way, and you know it. So you were just waiting for it, and I think in the September, in mid of the September, you will be waiting for it, and I think you will get it, because Ten of Swords is here. So whatever the closure you wanted, that that made you very emotionally traumatized, now I can see that closure has come to you, and the ending has been done. Maybe a past relationship that you got official closure, or maybe a short term relationship that you were in before, and that made you very emotionally traumatized. So I think that this will end, and you will have a new beginning. Okay, so that new beginning already has begun. As I already told you, you might have been dealing with this person, and this person is in love with you. Okay, and the closure you might have not got before, and now this person is giving you that closure that you were dealing with before. But this new person is coming to your life, and they are giving you a balance that you need in your life. Okay, Six of Pentacles basically. Six of Pentacle is also a card of seeding some seeds basically. Okay, so I am getting here because this is the reading for love reading basically. So I can see that this person is creating a ground for this relationship, and they are making it very stronger. Okay, so they are sowing the seeds, and they want to see the result. Okay, they are not very eager to know about it, but they are very patient about it. I can see that. So this person has started the relationship. They have presented to you their love, and now they have started their relationship. Now it is your turn. So I think that you will accept that offer, King of Cups, because you inside, you also feel about this person, because this is a very romantic kind of person, that you seek. Okay, this person is maybe a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Specifically it's a Scorpio. This person is coming into your life, and this person actually loves you from their heart, and you recognized it. Okay, so let's see what is the outcome for this period. Please give me a card. Seven of Swords and Ten of Pentacles. Okay, so don't be about means there is no deception now. So deception is already gone, that the moon, and the moon is here also. So deception is already gone, and that deception, that that the hiding about these things will go away, because this person is coming into your way. Okay, so this person want to present you the love of your life. Okay, that you have never felt before, and you were earlier actually wanting to run from this person, but now you recognized it, and you will accept this offer that they will present to you, because you can see the future with this person. 10 of Pentacles, you can see that this person is actually a very genuine person. They want to have a very stable relationship with you, which is financially stable, and your family will be good, everything will be good. Okay, so this was your reading. Now Queen of Moon Oracle, I will pull out one card. Resilience and Will. Okay, so Will, so I can see some of you actually not taking that chance. You have less willpower actually. So being a fixed sign, you have that tendency to resist the change. But if you have strong willpower, but Taurus is known for willpower basically, and I think that your that trait actually universe is telling you to just go ahead and do something about it. Okay, so if you feel it right, just take steps. Resilience is there. So I can see that you have so much of burdens in on your shoulder, and you were carrying it from long back. Okay, so now it is to release those things and being free, and this person is making you being free. Okay, so this person is actually helping you out to be free from this burden that you are carrying on your shoulder. Okay, so this was your reading, Taurus. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, King of Cups Tarot. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Thank you for watching.